Hello students, today I have taken the topic as inverse Laplace transform by partial fraction. This is of type 1. I have taken the question as find the inverse Laplace transform of the following 7s minus 1 over s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. Here, see here the question. It is, there are three different types of the factors given. See, one is s plus 1, s plus 2, and s plus 3 in the denominator. So, this is of type 1. So, let us assume the given question 7s minus 1 over s plus 1 along with the numerator and denominator you take, and you have to consider the variables. See, there are three different factors given. So, and these are not repeating. So, we'll be writing as A over one factor plus B over the second one and the C over the third one. If another factor is given, so we'll be having plus D over the fourth factor. If only two factors are given, that is s plus 1 and s plus 2 is given, then we'll be using only two constants like a and b. So now from this, so the second step, you have to equate the denominators. See here, the denominator is not common on both sides, so you have to make it equal. How to make it equal? We will be taking LCM. Okay, my LCM will be the same. What is this? S plus 1 times s plus 2 times s plus 3. And see here, A is having the s plus 1 part. So, the remaining is has been product to the A. That is s plus 2 and s plus 3 should be multiplied with A. And what is my B? B is having the denominator as s plus 2. So, s plus 1 and s plus 3 should be with B. Now, what about C? As I'm not having space here, I'm going down. C will be having s plus 1 and s plus 2. Now, see the denominator. This denominator on both sides are same, so we can cancel both of them. So, the remaining answer will be s7s minus 1 equals a times s plus 2, s plus 3 plus b times s plus 1, s plus 3 plus c times s plus 1 times s plus 2. See, make this as equation. See the first one, this consider this equation of 1 and this equation as 2. Now, we have to put some values of s and we have to solve for a, b, c. Now, see the second equation. So, from the, I'm going to consider the second equation. From here, I have to put some value for s. So, whenever, see the factors, it is s plus 2, s plus 3, the coefficient of A. The coefficient of B is s plus 1, s plus 3. The coefficient of C is s plus 1 and s plus 2. So, see here, when I am putting the value for s as negative 1, my B and C will be getting cancelled. So, I may write like put s equals s minus 1. S equals minus 1. So, I have to use left hand side and the right hand side to solve the equation. So, what happens? 7 times the left hand side, I am applying 7 times negative 1, negative 1. Okay, equals, see A. A will be having negative 1 plus 2. Thus, in the place of S, apply the value negative 1. And C, my B, see here it is S plus 1. So, whenever I am applying negative 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. 0 times anything, the value B will become 0. Also, C will become 0. So, B times 0 plus C times 0. From here, I will be getting the value of A. So, let us solve this. 7 times minus 1 is minus 7, minus 1 equals. What happens here? 2 minus 1, it is positive 1. Positive 1 here, minus 1 plus 3 is what? It is positive 2. So, here we will be having minus 8 equals 2A. So, what is my A? my a equals minus 8 by 2. So the value will be minus 4. We have got the value of a as minus 4. So let it be itself. See, also from the second equation, what else we can apply? See here, if we apply negative 2, a will be getting cancelled and c also will be getting cancelled as it is having s plus 2 with it. Okay, now we will be finding the value of b. So I'm going to apply negative 2. What happens to the left hand side? 7 times negative 2, negative 1 equals a will be 0 plus what happens to my b? B will be having negative 2 plus 1, negative 2 plus 3 and plus c will be 0. So let's just solving this. Minus 14 minus 1, it is minus 15 equals what happens to this b? It will be minus 1 here and here minus 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So we'll be having minus 15 equals minus b and this negative will be getting cancelled. So I'll be getting b equals 15. So now we will go for solving c. Now from the second equation, I can put the value for s as, see, if I put the value as negative 3, my a will be getting cancelled. My b also will be getting cancelled. I'll be getting the value of c. So the first type is very easy, girls. So now put s equals negative 3. So now what happens to the left hand side? 7 times negative 3 minus 1 equals. So my a will be 0. My b will also be 0. And my c. C will be minus 3 plus 1 times minus 3 plus 2. So now solve this. This is minus 21 minus 2. Sorry, minus 21 minus 1 is minus 22 equals c times, see, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So here we are having minus 22 equals 2c. Here what is the answer of c? From this we'll be getting as c equals minus 22 over 2. So the answer of c is minus 11. So I'm getting the answer of c as minus 11. So after finding these values, we have to substitute in equation 1. This is equation 1. So here we are going to apply values of a, b, c. The left hand side becomes, my a is negative 4. Negative 4 over s plus 1. B we got as 15. So plus 15 over s plus 2. C we got as negative 11. So negative 11 over s plus 3. Now we shall directly apply Laplace inverse to the question. So Laplace inverse of 7s minus 1 over s plus 1, s plus 2 and s plus 3 is Laplace inverse of negative 4 by s plus 1 plus Laplace inverse of, I am applying separately, 15 over s plus 2 and minus Laplace inverse of 11 over s plus 3. Now what happens here? This negative 4 is a constant, so I can take it outside. Negative 4 Laplace inverse of 1 over s plus 1. This plus 15 is a constant, so Laplace inverse of 1 over s plus 2. And this 11 is a constant, so Laplace inverse of 1 over s plus 3. Now what happens? Negative 4 will be there. What is 1 by s plus 1? It is e to the power minus 80 because we are having the positive here in the denominator. So e to the power minus t will be the answer, plus 15. E to the power minus 2t will be the answer, minus 11. E to the power minus 3t will be here. And this is the final answer. From the previous video, I have posted the question as find the inverse Laplace transform of the function s by a square s square plus b square. And the answer for the question is 1 over a square cos bt over a. From today's video, the question is find the inverse Laplace transform of the function s square minus s plus 2 over s times s minus 3 s plus 2. And try it and watch the next video, students. Thank you.